Hi guys, today I am going to talk about how to install your Anaconda and Jupyter notebooks. So do that, just go Google it and write Anaconda Navigator. Just write this Anaconda Navigator and you will find here the first link, okay? Or you can do this also, getting started with Anaconda. Just simply go to this link and you will find getting started with Anaconda. Just go to the installation section, okay, and down here, if you are on Windows, just install this link. If you are using Mac, then second one, and the Linux. So whichever system you are using, go to that particular link and find it. Just go there and you will see this download the Anaconda installer. So as soon as your installation is completed, just install it and you will find something like this. When the download is over, you will find the interface like this. You have this console shortcut, Jupyter Lab, and this thing you need to install. If it is not installed, so my system it is installed. If you have not installed this, just go and install this Jupyter notebook, and after you can launch it, you will see it like this. Like this, you will find the files. If there are some Jupyter notebook files or some Python files will be can be opened from this Jupyter notebook. And if you want to create a new file, just go over here, right here you will find a new and just write it Python 3. So a new interface will open, and like this you will find a new cell. So we will discuss right now what are the tools in Jupyter notebooks, so that it could be easier for you to understand and to interpret with this. So first you have this file, okay. You can, if you go through and if you want to save this, just you can do it here, save and checkpoint, or you can simply do it that with Ctrl+S. And if you after this you can download the file as many parameters, like you can make it as an HTML file, TXT file, markdown file. This will we are using notebook IPNYNB. So this one we are going to use. You can also convert it into a PDF if you want to share it on social media, or you can just simply make it into a .py extension Python file, right? So this is how we are going to do. And over here you can move here and go to this help section. You will find this keyboard shortcuts. So there are the keyboard sections. So just go and go through all this so that it could be an easier for you. And first if anything, just I write over here, like simply I want to write print hello world, right? Okay. And if you want to run that cell, you can simply do that Shift+Enter and you will find the output execution of the code right after the cell. So this is the advantage of using Jupyter notebook. You don't have to write the full. If you want to run just a part of your code, you can simply do in any of the cell and it will execute that particular cell. So this thing can be done like this. Over here again I go and print, just hit Shift+Enter and this will do. And it will also take you into the next cell. And over here if you just use Alt+Enter, then a new cell will be inserted as well as with the execution. So this is the difference. Just go through this help section and you will find the keyboard shortcuts so that it could be an easier for you. You can also run it over this tab, just hitting this run tab, okay. If I am here, if I just do that, you can see that it also printed run. There is also another feature of it, just like if you want to add some text like hello everyone, this thing if I do and convert this, it is not my code. If you want to convert into a markdown, and just Shift+Enter, now you will see it as a converted into a text, right? These are some of the features which we have seen it. So let's get started right now to our new series, and we will be discussing about the NumPy module in my next video.